Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making monkey bread using canned biscuits, and we're going to do it all in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cooks Essentials 5.3 quart. With that, let's go ahead and get started. I have 1 can of Grand Biscuits. This is a 16.3 ounce can. I will open these up, get the biscuits out. Have all the biscuits laid out. Now all we need to do is quarter these. Just like so. I have the biscuits all quartered. Move these to the side. In this bowl, I have half of a cup of granulated white sugar. To that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Mix that all in well. Now for this step, you can either use a Ziploc baggie or a bowl, which I'm going to do. I was going to do a baggie, but last minute decided just go with the bowl. Dump it in here. Place the biscuits inside the bowl. We're just going to toss these biscuits in the cinnamon sugar, get them coated real well. I'm going to be using the pan that came with my air fryer. If I had a bundt pan that would fit into my air fryer, I'd use that instead, but this will work just fine. Now I'm going to give my pan a light coating of some oil. I'm going to be using ghee oil today. You can use any kind of oil you like, olive oil, avocado, etc. I'm going to give this a nice little coating. Now we're going to take our biscuits and lay them into our pan. All right, all in. In this bowl, I have 1/4 cup of melted butter and I have 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Going to mix that real well. Now I'll grab our biscuits and we're just going to pour our butter mixture over the top. I have our pan into the air fryer basket. Let's go pop these in. I have my air fryer set to 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. I'm going to let this go for 10 minutes and take it out and cover it with foil because I don't want that top to burn. Now this is optional. I'm going to add a little icing to go over the top of the monkey bread once it is finished. Also with the monkey bread, if you wanted to add some nuts to it, you certainly can. I actually meant to do that and I totally spaced it off. But add that first into the pan before you add the biscuits. I have a half of a cup of powdered sugar and I'm going to add some milk to this. Actually almond milk. I don't have any regular milk. I'm just going to add enough to the consistency I like, so I am not going to have any measurements here. That was actually, if I had to guess, that was probably about 1 tablespoon of almond milk that I added. I think I'm just going to add just a little bit more of almond milk, and I'll call that good. All right, that looks good. I'm going to be as careful as I can. Place this on the top here and crimp down the sides so that it doesn't go blowing around in the air fryer. I have a toothpick. I'm going to punch some holes into the foil. All right, let's go put this back into the air fryer. We're going to let this go for the remaining 15 minutes. Then we'll give it a check and see if we need to add any more time or not. It's been a total of 25 minutes. This is still gooey here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave the foil off and give this another 5 minutes. I just took this out. It's given us a total of 30 minutes. I'm going to carefully take out our pan and I'm going to let it cool for about 5 minutes and then we'll turn it over onto our plate. I'm going to take a plate, put it on top, and then we are just going to flip this over. And then I'm going to lift it up slowly. Oh, that handle is in the way. Try to grab a hold of it. Ah, it worked. Take the icing that we made earlier and drizzle it over the top. This smells absolutely wonderful. If you're looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more that you can check out next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.